our next topic is customizing window setup. Okay, page number 25, page number 25. After installation of Windows operating system, some setting must be changed. विंडो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को इंस्टॉल करने के बाद हमें कुछ सेटिंग को चेंज करना पड़ता है. दिस इज डन टू कस्टमाइज और मॉडिफाई द सेटिंग फॉर द यूजर यूजिंग द सिस्टम. some settings are there which is for user to use the computer. So user must be changed that setting after installing Windows operating system. Some common changes are: first is setting date and time or changing date and time. Okay, in Windows 7 we can change the date, time and time zone on the desktop. In Windows 7 you can change or you can set the date and time time zone. Time zone means 12 hour, 24 hour. Okay, so in Windows 7 we can change or we can set current date and time. Steps are: step 1, select the date and time displayed in the taskbar and right click on computer screen where date and time displayed on taskbar right corner. Okay, always date and time displayed here. Like that. Okay, so step 1 is select the date and time displayed in the taskbar and right click. इसे हमें select करना और क्या करना है? Right click. Next is step 2, click change date and time setting. हमें next option मिलेगा change date and time setting. उस पर हमें click करना है. The date and time dialog box will appear with the date and time section. Here we can see the computer's current date and time. A new box or a new window will appear with the date and time section where date and time displayed on screen. So here you can see the current date and time. Next is click change date and time option. So next option is click change date and time. Step 4, to change the date, click the black left and right arrow to move to the correct month. After clicking on this option, a calendar will appear with the date and month. So to change the month, here arrows are there. So just click on these arrows to change the month and select the date from given dates and so on. So click the date. Then select the date you want. To change the time, click the up and down arrow below the clock, and here a clock will appear with date and with the time. So just click up and down to change the time. Click OK when the date and time are correct. When your date and time setting has done, just click on OK button. The current date and time will appear on your taskbar. Clear? Some steps: right click on date and time which is displayed on taskbar. Click on change date and time setting option. Then click on change date and time option and new window will appear with the calendar. Change the month, select the month and date from here. from the calendar and change the time from clock bar and then click on OK button. Clear? Move to next topic. Change volume of speaker. On the notification area of the taskbar, a volume button will appear. एक वॉल्यूम बटन आपको नोटिफिकेशन एरिया पे मिलता है. The volume of speaker can be easily changed by just clicking on top of the speaker symbol. यहाँ पे आपको क्या मिलेगा? एक वॉल्यूम और स्पीकर सिंबल मिलेगा नोटिफिकेशन एरिया. And where is the notification area? On the right side of the taskbar. To adjust output volume, click speaker icon on the lower right corner of taskbar. The volume icon may be in the grouped icons on the taskbar. Click on the up arrow key and use the control. अब जैसे ही वॉल्यूम आइकन पर क्लिक करते हो, एक एडजस्ट करने के लिए एक एरो आ जाता है. ऐसे आपको अगर वॉल्यूम हाई करनी है, आप इस एरो को अप साइड मूव कर सकते हैं, और वॉल्यूम कम करनी है तो डाउन साइड मूव. ओके, अदरवाइज यू कैन ओपन द वॉल्यूम कंट्रोल. Change the volume by moving the slider as shown here. आपकी बुक में जैसे शो किया गया है. अगर आपको वॉल्यूम हाई करनी है, then move to upper side, otherwise move to lower side. Clear? Next topic. Using the shortcut menu. Move to next page, page number 28. What is shortcut? Shortcut menu means you can directly access the applications. On pointing to an icon and right clicking on top of it, the menu that appears is known as the shortcut menu. अब जैसे ही किसी आइकन पर या राइट क्लिक करते हो, तो जो मेन्यू अपीयर होता है वो क्या होता है? शॉर्टकट मेन्यू. The menu is also known as context menu. It gives various options on possible actions that can be taken for the particular icon. उस मेन्यू में हमें बहुत सारे ऑप्शन मिलते हैं उस आइकन से रिलेटेड. It will be different for different icons on the desktop or other places. और हर आइकन के लिए ये जो मेन्यू है, ये जो आपके ऑप्शंस आते हैं वो डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन यू राइट क्लिक ऑन रिसाइकल बिन आइकन, द फॉलोइंग शॉर्टकट मेन्यू अपीयर. जैसे ही आप रिसाइकल बिन पर क्लिक करते हो, तो जो ये आपका रिसाइकल बिन है, after right click here, some options will appear like open, empty recycle bin, create shortcut, rename, other, and other some options are there. The shortcut menu of a folder and or a file are only slightly different. Given below is the context menu of a word file. और किसी फोल्डर और फाइल के जो शॉर्टकट मेन्यू है वो डिफरेंट हो सकता है. आपकी बुक में जो मेन्यू दिखाया गया, ये क्या है? वर्ड की फाइल का शॉर्टकट मेन्यू है. This shortcut menu gives various options on possible actions that can be taken for the particular icon. जो शॉर्टकट मेन्यू है वो बहुत सारे ऑप्शन देता है कोई भी एक्शन परफॉर्म करने के लिए उस पर्टिकुलर आइकन पर. For example, to delete a file, just click on delete option from the shortcut menu. Means if you want to delete an file, just right click, access the shortcut menu and click delete button from the options. Your icon or your folder will be deleted. Shortcut menu gives you some option for the particular icon, so you can perform any action for that particular icon. Okay, clear? This is your chapter 2. It has done. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.